Hey guys, welcome to lesson 3. My name is Sai and I'm your teacher. And today we're going to see how to buy a domain in Google Domains. Just go to domains.google, or you can just Google it and you will get to this page. Here you can search the domain name that you want. So this could be, what is the domain that I want? Now as you can see here, this domain is available. It's like $10. It's very cheap. And you have the .com, the .net, the .or. It gives you, Google domain gives you all the options that's available. Some are premium, some are costly, some are already pre-bought. Most of this is available. So once you choose the domain that you want, you can just add to cart and purchase it, and that's it. You're done. Okay. So once you bought your domains, I have some here. Okay. So after you purchase your domain, the next thing that you want to do is you want to click on DNS, which is the domain name servers. Okay, I use a very interesting cool tool called Cloudflare. Cloudflare is awesome for so many reasons. One of them is security. Second one is it gives you a free SSL and it gives you free content delivery as well. And it's just such an amazing offer. You guys should use Cloudflare. It also prevents bots and other annoying things. It also hides your IP address. Everything for a free version. The paid version does a little bit more, provides direct security, which is a WAF, firewall, but you don't need that necessarily to start off. You can just use Cloudflare. And Cloudflare is so awesome. I really love it. You guys should use it. After I buy the domain, I want the domain to point to Cloudflare. Okay, I want to connect these two things. And how do I do that is when I set up my Cloudflare, it will give you these two name servers. By default, you'll have the Google domain name servers. You want to use custom, and then you want to change it to the ones that Cloudflare is giving you. And you have save, just click save. Okay, just click save, just copy paste it. As you can see here, just copy paste it and click save. And now your name servers of this domain that you just purchased will point to Cloudflare. Okay, and it might take some time to verify. Once it's verified, you'll see a tick like this over here.